Hey, do you ever find yourself working on different platforms at any point in time? Maybe you're on a Mac, going to a PC going to a Mac, whatever the case may be. Let me show you a great new feature in Adobe Photoshop CS4 called the Application Frame. Let's take a look. So before we get started, let's go over to the Macintosh hard drive and open it up. I want to show you a place where Adobe puts in some sample files. Sometimes you'll find these files in the different Adobe versions of software. They may be called course content CD stuff, resource files, but in Photoshop, it's over here in the Applications folder. Go over to your Adobe Photoshop install. There's a folder there with all kinds of different folders, including the application itself. But go down over here and click on the sample folder, and you'll see a variety of different types of file formats that you can play with just in practicing with your Adobe Photoshop CS4. We're also going to supply you some course sample files. So let's go take a look at what these files can do in training in Adobe Photoshop. So let's go take a look at what we can do with these files. Now, if you'd like to have a shortcut to these files, go back where you had the Applications folder, open up the Photoshop folder, go down to that sample folder, and make yourself an alias. You can do it simply by clicking a right mouse click if you have a 2-button mouse, or a control click on the Mac, and then drag it to your desktop. This might be an easy way to find files and work with files that you're using over and over and not have to navigate to the program or anywhere else on your hard drive. On the PC, if you'd like to make a shortcut on your desktop of a folder, go ahead and point to that folder and do a right mouse click. Then you can drag that folder holding your right mouse click over to the desktop. That will do the same thing and create that sample folder on your desktop in the PC environment.